Bird up, pal. Good morning everybody and welcome to my first ever online assembly. I hope you all had a really lovely Easter and enjoyed some time with your families and made sure you stayed safe. You do know, don't you, that yesterday was National Non-Human Phone and Say Thank You Day? No? Well, it was. Yesterday was Phone and Say Thank You Day for all non-humans. And I'm pleased to say that at Cleesvine Primary School, the phone did not stop ringing. In fact, I've got a selection of messages here that I received. But rather than make it too personal, I'll just read out the first names of the people who the messages are for. Okay, so are you ready? I've got a message here for James. Your toothpaste tube rang to say thank you very much for putting the lid back on. Apparently, you kept forgetting all weekend and he gets really upset. I've got a message for Amelie next. Your bedroom phoned to say that even though it is in a state of shock, it wants to say a really big thank you for tidying it up this weekend. It hates being messy and it's really grateful. A message for Daniel from your dog. Apparently he's phoned to say thank you for sharing your feelings with him about life. He does understand and he likes you talking to him. Finally, I've got a message for Isabel from Teddy. Teddy phoned to say thank you for loving him and caring for him so much and taking him with you when you go away. Okay, well, as you've probably realised, they're imaginary messages, but they make a really serious point. It really is important for you to be thankful and to say thank you. A child wrote the following poem. I can open my eyes and see. I can open my mouth and say thank you. Thank you for today, for a comfortable bed, hot water, breakfast, clean clothes, my shoes. Thank you for people who care, for milk, for post, for telephone, computers, our car, petrol. Thank you for blue skies, for rain, my dog, flowers in the garden. Thank you for new friends and old friends. Thank you for reading and writing. Who am I thanking? All sorts. It doesn't matter, but saying thank you does. There's so much in the world that we can be thankful for. So let's just spend a moment peacefully reflecting on this. For family and friends, we're thankful. For the beauty of nature and the world around us, we are thankful. For all the things in life that we all too often take for granted, we are thankful. So maybe today you can have a think about something that you're thankful for. Maybe you could think of someone you would like to say thank you to, perhaps write them a note or send them a letter. Or maybe with your family, you can make a list of as many things as you can think of that you are thankful for. I wonder if you can reach 100 things. Until next time, stay safe, wash your hands, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.